Hi everyone, happy Friday. I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing for you guys today. This is another of my pre-order from August the 8th. I had ordered August the 8th, shipped September 30th, and received October 5th. So this one is a square. You can see from the blue strip here. Another image that I wanted to get. Ooh. Take the plastic off. This is Meridia by Micah Jelena. Just mixing the two together. Micah Jelena. They're pretty similar, Hannah Lynn and Micah Jelena. Just their style and images. Just the girls, the faces. This one, to me, I would say that she's supposed to be a mermaid, but you don't actually see the tail or anything, but yeah, no. Get her out of the box here. All right, so we have our little sticker that comes with the kit. I use this in my books just to keep track of the images that I receive. And then we also have the large one. I use these ones to kit up my diamonds for diamond paintings. Let's see if it'll focus in there for us. We are not focusing. There we are. Now we're going to focus. This image is so pretty. I like that it's kind of one-toned. It does have purples and blues. We have 26 colors and one AB color. I believe it's just the white, but we will see when we get in there. It's a square with AB 51 by 76. And again, Meridia is the name, by Micah Jelena. She's so pretty. So those are our two stickers. And then of course we have the kit for the square. You get, ooh, there's our tray, a clear tray. Big package of baggies. We have a squishy, a pen, 2 pieces of wax. We also get the thin 4-placer. Awesome. And then we have our nice pointy stabby tweezers. So just make sure you keep your tip on there. They are dangerous. Get that back in the baggie. I do love this wax. It's kind of my favorite wax that I use. I'm still on the same piece from my first Diamond Art Club painting. So it works really good. Open up the plastic here. We have our nice super soft canvas. Ooh, this one's gonna be huge. Oh, she's so pretty. You have your instructions, if anybody needs them. Yes, we have our drills, come nicely packaged, and they do have a label telling you the name and the kit number. Flip her the other way here. She has such a beautiful big crown. And I'm going to assume that there are a lot of ABs in here in the whites, but we will go through that after we see the drills. But she is just so pretty. I feel like that is not focused. There we go. Look at that. It looks almost like a city, like high-rise towers. It's kind of cool. There's some stars in the sky. And her big, beautiful eyes. She's got some gorgeous flowing hair coming out here. And her necklace. And then she does have like a shawl. You can see it wrapped around the arm here and then coming up here. And she's holding a lantern. Let me fold it for the bottom half here so you guys can see this beautiful lantern. And then this would be her tail going over here with the water down below. So pretty. This one's going to be really gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. And you can see that the drills are all blues and purples and some whites. Don't mind the crinkle as I open them up here. Alright, let's zoom down a little bit. Let's start with these little packages here. These are the newer drills with the blue and silver stripe. Really beautiful quality square drills. We have some 803, 3325, 3756, 796, nice periwinkle, 312, 2 bags of 312, 3755. We have our pure white, the 5200, 2 bags of that, 775. It's a beautiful mint. It's one of my favorite colors. 3841. Here's our AB. It's number 141. So if AB is Aurora Borealis, that means it has an extra coating on there to give you a nice rainbow shimmer. So pretty. I hope that you can see that. Another periwinkle purple, 333, 820, 340, 3746, 165, no, 155, 210, 519, and 798. And then we get into our big packages here. We have some 803, 3865. We have 2 packages. It's a little bit of an off-white. And we have some 797, beautiful bluish, purplish blue. 310. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 6. 6 bags of 310. And then we have some 823. We have 2 bags of 823, a nice dark navy blue. We have 334, 939. We have 3 bags of 939, dark navy blue. And then we have 322 and 3760. So it's going to be really pretty. Get these off to the side here. Ah, so noisy. So for 141, our AB drills, it's number 1, and we can see right here in the star, and then at the tips on her crown, on like pretty much the end of every one of them. There's another star off to the side here with some ABs, one in her hair. There's just highlights in her eyes, and of course highlights on her hair. There's going to be your AB and her necklace. There's little dots of AB and the chain here. There is some sprinkles in her shawl, these little white ones, and there's a couple on this side and in the lantern, and then of course the highlights in the water. And let me get down here. So the highlights in the water, there's a couple sprinkled on her tail, but just highlighting everything. So it's going to be super, super pretty. Check our stickiness and our drill field. Again, super clear, nice thick glue. Don't want to stick it to myself. Everything looks really good. Bring it up close here for you guys so you can see the drill field there. Super clear. The black is just the white dot, so you can see pretty much everything is going to be outlined in it, and there are some spots in the sky also. The nighttime sky, there's some nice big chunks of black in there. So pretty. Zoom back out. I just love her face. Love, 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 love it. Here we go. So again, this is one that they've had for a while, but it showed up on a pre-order and I just love the image. So I have purchased it. It's probably going to be down on the list for ones to be completed, but so pretty. So that's it for today. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.